Hi, I'm Sean. And this is how we restore plastic trim.
I almost dropped it.
It's all good. Which side you want to go to first?
Whichever is fine.
You see how dull this plastic trim is? See the trim? Watch the your parking sensors. Always check for gas leaks. No more useless products. This is not a service that we offer here, but you can go to Harbor Freight and get you one of these boys. Don't forget your brake cooling ducts. Watch in there. In the hole. Oh, that's right. We missed a spot. One small casualty, but that's okay. Ready? And... Got it.